Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And yeah, I am a user of Facebook. It's got its goods and bad points. The thing I like about Facebook is the groups. And over here is the few of the groups that I belong to. Get scroll, there we go. It's just a few of them. But they're groups about specific things, and most of these, I would say the 99% of these, are related to shortwave listening, ham radio, scanners, and stuff like that. And you get a lot of information from these groups. Now, let me show you something I just noticed about half hour ago. We go back to the top and go to the SDR Play group. This is the people at SDR Play who provide the SDR receivers, of which I've reviewed several, and I just got an SDR Duo, RSP Duo. And here's something that was posted recently. Now let me go down. Some interesting things people are doing. That's kind of a cool setup. I haven't got to the good one yet. We're getting there. Right here. Mr. Hudson, who works at SDR Play, made this post 8 hours ago. And it says, for the first time, SDR Play will be demonstrating diversity software for the RSP Duo. That's the one I just got, the Duo, at the Dayton Hamfest. The SDR Play team will be showing off an early development version of the SDRuno, their software, which provides enhanced receiver performance by combining the signals from two antennas tuned to the same frequency. Now, let me see. I can go back up here real quickly. So this is the Duo right here, and it has actually 3 antenna connections, but 2 that are very similar. And what he's talking about, I believe, is hooking 2 different antennas, and then in the RSP software, combining the inputs of those 2 to enhance reception. So for instance, I'm thinking out loud here, I could hook up my G5RV dipole antenna, horizontal dipole antenna, and my MFJ 31-foot vertical antenna, and get to the 2 axes. Now, whether that's going to help or not, I don't know, but it will be fun to play with. And I have many other HF antennas I can try. I got different VHF antennas I can try. So this sounds pretty exciting. Now, he does say, let me go back down here real quick here. Not so much for being quick. He says, but showing off an early development version. So that doesn't sound like they're ready to release it yet. So maybe in Hamfest in Dayton is next weekend. So maybe they will tell us or announce at the Hamfest when this new software will be out. I've been very anxious to see an update to the SDRuno software that uses some of the unique functions of the RSP Duo, which they recently sent me. So that sounds pretty exciting. That's one of the reasons that I like to join these groups. And if we go back, you see there's quite a few that I'm a member of. I really need to go back and screen these, because some of them, start off and they pretty active, and then they just kind of die off. So I think it's pretty cool. So next week we'll find out what's happening at SDR Play, and it should be exciting. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.